Audio Recipes. Episode 1. How to make a hustler's omelette. Simple, satisfying, strategic. Welcome to Audio Recipes, the faceless kitchen for focused minds. I'm your guide today, and this is more than just cooking. It's nourishment for your hustle. Let's begin. Picture your kitchen. Clear your counter. Grab a bowl, a fork, and a pan. Today, we're making what I call the hustler's omelette. 3 ingredients, 3 minutes, pure fuel. First, crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Add a pinch of salt and just a flick of black pepper. Optional, a splash of milk for fluffiness. Now beat it lightly. You're not rushing this. Heat your pan medium heat. Add a teaspoon of butter or oil. Let it coat the base. Pour in the eggs. Let them settle. As the edges begin to cook, take your fork or spatula and gently stir from the outside in. Your shaping opportunity. Soft, not scrambled. When it's just set, fold it. Half moon style. Plate it. You see, that was fast, but not rushed. Simple, but intentional. Just like your journey. On the path to profit, not everything has to be complex. Sometimes 2 eggs and a plan are all you need. Be fed, stay focused, keep building. I'm Tatiana, and this was Audio Recipes. Subscribe to Path and Profit for more faceless flavors and food for thought. Until next time, stay sharp, stay kind, stay cooking.